Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Vegan Life. Today, we're diving into the world of irresistible desserts with 3 quick and easy vegan chocolate cake recipes. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just curious about plant-based baking, these recipes are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. So, let's get started. Our first recipe is the classic one-bowl vegan chocolate cake. It's simple, fuss-free, and incredibly delicious. Here's what you'll need. Start by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Once your dry ingredients are well combined, add 1 cup non-dairy milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Mix everything until just combined, and then pour the batter into a greased cake pan. Bake for 25-30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Next up, we have a slightly unconventional twist with our avocado vegan chocolate cake. Don't worry, you won't taste the avocado, but it adds incredible moisture. Here's what you'll need. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius for this one. In a blender or food processor, combine 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now, add the wet ingredients. 1 ripe avocado, mashed, 1 cup water, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon white or apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Blend until smooth and pour the batter into a greased cake pan. Bake for 30-35 minutes or until the center is set. For our third and final recipe, we're going flourless with this decadent vegan chocolate cake. It's rich, indulgent, and perfect for those with gluten sensitivities. Let's dive into the ingredients. Begin by preheating your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, combine 2 cups almond flour, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now, incorporate the wet ingredients. 1 cup coconut sugar, 3/4 cup non-dairy milk, 1/3 cup melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix until a smooth batter forms, and transfer it to a greased cake pan. Bake for 25-30 minutes, or until the top is set. And there you have it. 3 mouth-watering vegan chocolate cakes that prove plant-based desserts can be just as delicious as their traditional counterparts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Vegan Life, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a tasty vegan treat.